Hi, I'm Stuart from SRB Leadworks. Welcome to the next video. Let's go and have a look, see what it's all about. So we're back on the Southampton job today. I haven't been here for quite a while. I've had a bit of a break, but we're back now. So hopefully we can get this job completely finished off. We're not too far away, to be honest with you. I've just got to weld some caps on these rolls, and oh my god, it looks like a seagull has been having target practice literally right where I need to weld a cap. So I'm going to have to try and clean that off. So we've got all of these caps to weld on through here. There's also various corners to weld. There's one down there, another one there, two down that end, same on the other end. So we've got a few corners to weld as well. And also there's this ridge line to put through as well. This piece of lead here is only temporary. It's just been put there to try and keep some of the water out for now until we can run the ridge through. And do you know what, it has done the job as well. So I'm glad that we just put that through temporarily. So what we're going to do in today's video is try and get all of these caps welded through here. So let's start knocking up these caps. Okay, we need some pieces of lead, 160 by 160. Just going to knock up a little flange.
Yeah, boy.
I don't know what that alarm is. Keeps going off. I think it's an alarm telling me that people are watching my video and they haven't subscribed. That's terrible. So if you want that alarm to go off, please subscribe to the channel and you won't have to hear that alarm anymore. Worth a shot. Right, so let's knock up this flange. Okay. Just going to place that there, apply some heat to that. Okay, that's the cap made up now. So now that's done, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to repeat the process and make all the rest of the caps up. Once I've done that, we can start welding them all on. That's all of the caps made up now. So let's get this one welded in. Okay, that's all welded up now. So now that's done, what I'm going to do now is weld the rest of the caps in. That's all the caps welded into position now. So now they're done, what I need to do now is put some clips on the laps. And I also need to finish off trimming up the splash laps. That's all the clips fixed into position now. I've just trimmed them to 50mm, leaving a 5mm expansion gap. I've also now trimmed up all the splash laps. So that is job done. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at SOBLeadworks. For inquiries you can email sobleadworks@gmail.com. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.